Let's see what we're dealing with under here. Years of neglect, just as I thought.
Time to clean off this mess. That's a lot of mud. This old car needs some serious work. Almost there. Just gotta smooth out these last edges. Good, ready for the next step.
All right, first mark the hood, then the bumper here.
Yep.
Scratches along the side, and don't forget the chrome.
Yeah.
Finally, the wheels. That's the plan.
All right, old friend, time for a facelift. Careful with that wiring, it's brittle.
Got it.
Rust is fighting back, but we're making progress.
All right, this new grille fits tight.
Perfect alignment on the lights.
And the bumper's secure. Just gotta finish the wiring.